Hello, this is Grant from CutThat.com. Today we'll be mounting the Deluxe bracket onto our tractor bucket. Start off by placing the bracket on the right-hand side of your bucket, as low as you can to the bottom of the bucket. With a 1/4-inch Allen key, tighten the 2 set screws to clamp the bracket to the bucket. The 2 screws have a special feature that allows them to bite into the metal of the bucket to ensure the bracket is securely held in place. Here we can see the screws biting into the metal of the bucket. You will now want to position the 2x2 square mounting post of the bracket in an upright position and tighten the bolt. Ensure the bracket is sitting as low as possible to the bottom of the bucket. Now we can see our bracket is securely tightened onto our bucket. Now attach your Samurai onto the 2x2 square mounting post of the bracket, lining up the holes of the Samurai with the bracket and inserting our mounting hardware. We can now test the amount of force required for the breakaway feature to function properly. Push the knife forward and backwards to test the breakaway device. To increase our breakaway force, we use a 5/16 Allen key. We tighten the tensioner spring clockwise through the hole at the bottom of the 2x2 square mounting post. We can now test to see if we have the adequate force required for our breakaway feature to function properly. Using 2 3/4-inch wrenches, we can adjust the trimming position of the Samurai from vertical to horizontal or any angle in between. You can also position the knife for up to 40 degrees below grade for around ponds or ditch embankments. So there you have it. The Samurai is mounted to your bucket. Thanks for watching.